Hey everyone, it's Skyla, welcome back to my channel, and finally I'm back to be doing a video. Been waiting for this to come through in the mail for the past few days. And I've been waiting for this for a couple of weeks. Now, I'll give you a bit of an insight on this. This is a funny film. Some people may not like it, but I just think it is a bit funny. And it is going along with like a Christmas theme, so yeah, I've got an unboxing, so I've got two unboxings, but completely different unboxings. One's from Sam, as always, because from now on I've decided every parcel I get from Sam, I'm just going to unbox it and do a video. But this is the one I'm going to open first. Now, I know what it is because I actually ordered it from the Sky store. So this is actually from the Sky store. But you have to wait a little bit for it. I actually ordered this on the 26th of November. And this movie come out in... Let me check the date. I'm sure this was 94, but don't quote me on this one. But anyway, it's this one. It is Scrooged. This is so funny. Now, this is one of the films that I'm trying to get Christmas films from when I was little. I think it was about 9 or 10 or 11 when this came out, and I just thought it was so funny. Sorry. So yeah, I have this in my collection. I haven't got it on Blu-ray, so obviously Sky don't do it on Blu-ray, so I got this. So it's the front, the spine, and the back. I mean, this is just a funny film. You don't need that. No. This is what I'm waiting for. Now, I have one little issue with this, right? This is how it comes. I have rips here and a big one here, and this is how my parcel have been coming lately, but it's sort of easier for me to open because we have a new delivery driver, and I'm not too keen because usually I have to sign for my parcels when I get them off Sam, but lately I haven't. So, oops, my address, sorry. And then it comes like this. So, you'll probably be wondering, why the hell? Because it's actually mostly clothes and other stuff, and just basic winter wear. That's what I asked for. Oh, and I got change as well. So the first one on my list is this. Now, if you're wondering, I only own one scarf, but I wanted like a darker one. So this is long, so this is absolutely perfect. So, yep, so, and then, so that will definitely keep me warm throughout the winter. So, yep, I've got this one. I really like, I'm baffled by beauty calendars. And then it's got nice tassels on the end, and then it's got a nice little design there. So it wasn't too bad. Going along more with the scarf theme, I got just a plain one with tassels, and it's pink. So I like that one. And I've seen these all the rage. It's got a tag on it, so it's brand new. And you just put it on your head like that. Obviously it won't suit my head because but that's how it goes, sort of thing. Oh, I didn't expect that one. Then next, oh, I've got a pair of gloves. You ready? These are pink. Look at these like mitten style gloves. Oh, so warm. I don't really own gloves, but now I own mitten style gloves. They're so comfy, they're so warm. They've like got this nice design knitted in. So, yep. Then I've also got two pairs of gloves. These are the more ones that I really like. So I've got pink and then the pink and black. So yeah. Ooh, yes. Now this is what I've been wearing quite a few stuff of lately, and yes. So yep, the winter hats. Because for like years I've tried winter hats on and they just haven't really suited me, but now because I've got the short hair, it suits me. So this is like pink and it's got like a wavy design on the hat, so that's really nice. This is one of the things I've been waiting for a while. It's an elasticated skirt. It has a tag on it from Amisu. Ooh, this was only $5.99. But this will do me because it will fit me. Because I've been wanting a skirt for a while now. Black, but when I saw this, I was like, I will have this. So I treated myself to a nice skirt because I've been wearing tights lately. I know it's a bit TMI, but yeah. Right, and then these, I just got these just to lounge around the house in. And the Disney, and the 101 Dalmatian PJ bottoms with all the dotted detailing, and then it's got like a cuffed leg. I like this detail on the waist with the belt, the tie on it, and then you've got the 101 Dalmatian character. So yeah, they're so cool. Now, there's one thing that you will know about me is I've been a big fan of getting the code sweets off Sam lately, and I have 6 in total. So that's the Christmas design with all the marshmallows and dolly mixtures. Then they got 5 mixture ones. There's one with the buttons, the jelly beans, wine gums, you know, I can show you properly. There's one with like cola butter star mix, dolly mixtures, dummies, jellies, and then this one, which is near enough the same lines, and that's what they look like. So they're quite cool in itself. So I got myself a nice little haul. But to tell you the truth, the sweets aren't mine. As gutted as it may sound, you guys, if you guys don't know, I've had gastric bypass surgery a couple of years ago, and I don't really eat sweets much now. But all these are for somebody else for Christmas. And then I got a nice little card. And this is actually my second Christmas card. So, nice little reindeer design, and of course the Christmas cards off Sam. Now I need to send Sam's off this week, because I found out that the post office is over here is going to go on strike, which is shite, but that's what happens. So thank you again, Sam, for the card and the goodies that I've ordered off your page, which is all here and all. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm hoping there's going to be more videos from me soon. So of course, stay gory. Stay gory and have unpleasant dreams. Ta-ta for now. Bye.